Hey y'all, today I want to show you how to make this beautiful pineapple upside down cake. Okay, so you start with 5 tablespoons of melted butter. You just pour it in the pan. This is going to be the top of the cake where it's all buttery and brown sugary. And so then I'm just going to kind of swirl it around because it also coats the pan for the cake a little bit. Then we have half a cup of brown sugar and we just spread it evenly all over this butter. Seems like a lot, but it's really good. All right. So then we put a whole pineapple slice right in the center. And then we're going to cut the rest of them in half. This one already had it. Yeah, there it is. And then we're going to put them around the outside like this. Oh, what do you know? That's just enough, I think. Okay, then we're going to put cherry in the center. And then we're going to put one in each one of these little half circles. These cherries are large. Okay. Then we take the rest and put them along the side. Just put a few like this. I guess I do about 5 of these on the side here, just to have extra pineapples. All right, isn't that pretty? So now we need to make the batter and pour the batter over this before we bake it. Okay, for the cake batter, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour. I'm just gonna do 3 1/2 cups. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So 1, 2, and a little bit of salt. Okay. Okay, now for the wet ingredients, we need 1 egg. Three-fourths of a cup of buttermilk. Half a cup of sour cream. And get it all out here. We have 4.5 tablespoons of canola oil. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oops. A little extra won't hurt. Okay, then we stir both of these things together. Okay, now we mix them both together. And then I usually just stir it till it's just really well combined. I don't use a mixer or anything, I just stir it. It's kind of a thick batter. Okay, that's good. So now we just carefully pour it over the pineapple and cherries. Very carefully, so we don't mess up our pretty design. It's really easy. All right, we have to try it. It's really good. I usually put it on a baking sheet just because all the pineapple juice and the butter and everything, it can spill over. So I do this and then bake it in a 350 oven for 40 minutes, but just keep an eye on it. Okay, this has been baking for 40 minutes and then I took it out and it cooled for 30 minutes. And now it's the fun part. We get to turn it over on this. Okay. So then you just flip it real quick because there's a lot of butter and juice and stuff. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Lift it off very carefully. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Now I get to try it. It's so good. The cake is really moist and I can taste the pineapple and the brown sugar and the butter. It's really good. I hope you try it. It's an easy recipe. I'm gonna put it in the description. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to come to my kitchen, and I hope you enjoy the cake, and I'll see you next time.